Well, let's say you just did a clean install of Windows. You're super excited. Everything looks super smooth. Everything's working. But then you realize you have to buy Microsoft Windows for $130. And all you want to do is change your background. And they don't let you. If you go to background, they don't let you change your background. No, you have to buy it. So if you go to themes, you can't change it either. So the first fix, if you just want to change it to dark mode, is up here. Now this may not work for everybody depending on how updated your Windows is. So if you have an older version of Windows 11, then you can probably still select the theme up here. But I'm making this tutorial assuming that you have the newest version. So the first thing you'll want to do is you're going to go to the search and you're going to type in Registry Editor. Open. Obviously press yes. And this is not what yours is going to look like. Yours will probably look something like this. So what you want to do is you're going to find the file called HKey Local Machine. You're going to open it. You're going to go to the Software tab, open that, and you're going to find Microsoft. You're going to open Microsoft, scroll down, and you're going to find the Windows tab. I'm going to scooch it over a little bit, open Windows, you're going to find Current Version, open that, scooch it over a little bit, scroll down, until you find the themes folder. You're going to open themes, and this folder that you open should have default colors, extended, schemes, visual styles, and wallpaper. There should be 5 files when you click that down arrow. If there isn't, then you click the wrong file and you want to open another one. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to themes, and to change it to dark mode, if that first step didn't work, you're going to double click this, Control C. It says install theme dark. You're going to double click that, Control C again, press OK. Go down to the search bar, Control V. You're going to see this window. You're going to click that, and you can close out of that. And now you are in the dark theme, but you might notice some weird things going on. First, like this is like a gray, blue. If you open file, it's literally a solid blue right there. The taskbar looks super weird, and that's called transparency. So you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna search in the search bar, transparency effects, and you're gonna click that, and there's gonna be these. You're gonna turn transparency effects off, and then everything won't have that weird look to it. You can see that this is all good. So if you also want to change your wallpaper to something else, you're gonna go in your browser. I use Firefox. All you need is a browser. So let's say I wanted ocean wallpaper. I'm going to go to images. You're gonna scroll for a little bit until you find one. Maybe I want this one. This one looks good. It's a big enough file size. Right click, save image as, and save it to the desktop as wallpaper. X out of there. See that wallpaper disappeared in the corner there? What you're going to do is you're going to right click it, and you're going to do set as desktop background. And now, as you'll see, you can delete that now, you don't need it. It'll become your desktop background, and you haven't even activated Windows yet. So if you want to change it back, you don't like this background, all you're going to do is you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go personalization. Now you realize that if this wasn't locked before or was not unlocked before, it'll be unlocked now. So you could just change it back, and now you'll have this. So if you like that tutorial, consider leaving a like or even subscribing, and thank you for watching.